In this video, we're going to be looking at how we can write an expression in the completed square form. A quadratic always comes in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c. So here we can see that a is 1 because I've got 1x squared, b is 4, and c is negative 1. The completed square form comes in the form of x plus d all squared plus e. In order to get anything similar to this, and in particular x squared plus 4x, one thing I know is that if I expanded x plus 2 all squared, in other words x plus 2 times by x plus 2, I would get x squared plus 4x plus 4. I got the plus 2 part inside the bracket because this was half of the value of b. And by expanding out the brackets, I ended up with the first two terms of the original quadratic. But you'll notice that the value of c is negative 1 in the original quadratic, and here is plus 4. So if I was to take away 5 from 4, this would give me negative 1. So that means that x plus 2 all squared needs to be shifted by minus 5 to give me the original quadratic. To summarize, the number inside the bracket can be found by looking at the original quadratic and halving the coefficient of x. The number outside the bracket is c, so I start with negative 1, and I want to take away the same value that I get when I expanded out x plus 2 all squared. Now to think where this came from was b divided by 2 all squared. So I want to take away b over 2 all squared. Pause the video here and have a go at the question on the right hand side. When you're ready for the answer, press play. So in this quadratic, I've got a as being 1, b as being negative 6, and c as being negative 2. Halving the coefficient of x, so the value of b, gives me x minus 3 inside of the brackets all squared. To find the term on the outside of the bracket is c, take away the value of b divided by 2 all squared. Negative 3 squared is 9, and negative 2 take away 9 would give me x minus 3 all squared take away 11. This is now in its completed square form.